Why you rarely finish work, and how to finally complete tasks. Many workdays end the same way. You started many things. Answered emails. Joined meetings. Worked on documents. Handled requests. Solved small problems. Moved several things forward. But somehow, many tasks are still unfinished. Work moves forward in pieces, but rarely reaches completion. And unfinished work creates a constant feeling of pressure, because everything stays mentally open, waiting somewhere in the background. Even after work hours end, most people think they simply have too much work, too many responsibilities, too many incoming demands. But often the real problem is different. Work keeps getting interrupted before it's finished. So tasks pile up halfway done. And half-finished work is mentally heavier than work that's complete, because your brain still treats those tasks as unresolved, still active, still demanding attention. Here's what usually happens during a normal day. You start working on something important. A report, a proposal, planning, something that actually moves work forward. 10 minutes later, a message arrives. You respond quickly. Then an email appears. Then someone asks a quick question. Then a meeting reminder pops up. And when you finally return, you've lost context. So progress slows. Or you switch tasks completely, and the original work stays unfinished, waiting for another moment that never seems to arrive. This creates a hidden workload, because every unfinished task must later be restarted. And restarting work is mentally expensive. Your brain must reload context, remember decisions, rebuild understanding, reconnect ideas. And this restart often costs more energy than simply continuing earlier. So even small interruptions accumulate across the day, and exhaustion grows quietly, without obvious reason. So here's a practical shift that works immediately. Before starting a task, ask, "Can I finish this in one session?" If the answer is yes, protect enough time to complete it. Close notifications. Delay messages. Give the task a chance to reach completion. If the answer is no, break it down. Make the next step small enough to finish. Instead of writing, prepare report. Define. Write report outline. Complete section 1. Review data. Draft conclusion. Small tasks get finished, and finished tasks free mental space. Momentum builds naturally, and motivation returns faster than expected. Here's another practical rule that many people overlook. When you get interrupted, don't just switch tasks. Leave a restart note. One sentence is enough. Write, "Next, finalize numbers in section 2. Or, continue reply to client proposal. Or, check budget assumptions before sending." So when you return, work continues immediately, instead of restarting from zero. This tiny habit saves surprising amounts of mental energy, especially on busy days. Another habit that helps completion. Group similar tasks together. Answer emails in batches. Handle approvals together. Make calls in one block. Review documents in one session. Switching task types constantly drains attention, because your brain must repeatedly change modes. Batching reduces friction, and tasks move faster toward completion, without feeling rushed. There's also something psychological happening. When tasks stay unfinished, motivation slowly drops, because progress feels invisible. But every time you finish something, even small, your brain registers progress. And progress creates energy, which makes starting the next task easier. Completion fuels momentum, while interruption kills it. AI can help here quietly as well. By summarizing where work stopped, helping restart tasks faster, breaking complex work into clearer next steps, or organizing tasks so completion becomes easier. AI becomes continuity support, not automation hype. Just background assistance that keeps work moving forward. The goal isn't doing more tasks. It's finishing more tasks. Because completion creates relief. And relief restores motivation. Days feel lighter. Progress becomes visible again. And work stops feeling like an endless stream of unfinished pieces. And once tasks start getting completed again, another issue becomes visible. Many people realize their workload isn't just large. It's constantly expanding. New tasks arrive faster than old ones disappear. And in the next video, we'll look at why work keeps expanding and how to stop your workload from growing endlessly. And once you see that pattern, work finally stops overflowing.